gang, how are y'all? And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you will know when I will be posting new videos. And y'all, I know it's been a while since I have done a wig review, but I am back with Miss Arlena, and I got her in the color chocolate. And she has a pre-plucked lace parting space with natural baby hairs. You do have the options to do them. You have the options to tuck them in. You have the options to do whatever you want with your wig, baby hairs or no baby hairs. And she has HD transparent lace, and she is heat resistant up to 400 degrees. And she is from the Outre lace front wig collection. This is how she's looking on the card. And as you can see, she has a variety of colors. And y'all, this is what I think about Miss Arlena. I like the curls. I like that she is a full synthetic wig. I like the parting space. And I like the cap construction. She's not too tight on my head. She's comfortable, and I can wear her and I won't get a headache. What I don't like about Miss Arlena is that this is not a good wig for you to, you know, go out with. Like if you're going out for the holidays, this is not that kind of wig. This is the kind of wig that you can take really cute holiday pictures in, because she does tangle and she sheds a little bit, so you would have to keep your comb or your brush on hand, because like she's gonna give you some problems if you don't keep on combing her out and everything. But other than that, I do like her. This is a nice style. It's a really nice wig. And she was easy to apply. It's looking, y'all. This is how she's looking on the side. This is how she's looking in the back. And the other side. And I do like Arlena. She's a very nice wig. I believe you can take some really nice pictures in her, but I don't think you could just go out with her, because she does tangle and she does shed, and she will give you some problems if you don't keep your brush on hand. But I do like the style. I like the curls. I like how full she is. And this is the length. She's really, really long. She comes like way down past my boobs, so she's a pretty long wig. I just wanted to bring out a really nice wig review for the holidays. You know, something simple that you can style and that it won't give you a lot of problems. But that is it for this video. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and I will see y'all next time.